Big news, YouTube. The SEC finally approved the first ever batch of spot Bitcoin ETFs to hit the US market. We've been waiting a long time for this and it's finally here. In this video, we're going to get into what that means for you, what it means for the future of Bitcoin, and what you can do with this information. For those of you who may not know me, my name is Jason Vaughn. I'm a licensed CPA, and over here on this channel, we talk about investing and personal finance, and we make it so simple that the everyday person can understand it. Today, we're going to talk about this spot Bitcoin ETF and what it means. Now, I know the term ETF might sound like alphabet soup for some of you, but stick with me and we'll turn that ETF into an AMG. Now, first things first, what is an ETF? An ETF stands for an exchange traded fund, and you could think of it like a basket of assets, in this case, Bitcoin. This ETF allows investors to get a slice of Bitcoin without having to deal with the intricacies of direct ownership of Bitcoin. So unlike directly buying the crypto, ETFs are on traditional stock exchanges, which means you can buy and trade them just like you would stocks. What makes an ETF so special is that it's directly tied to the underlying asset, in this case, Bitcoin. So that means if Bitcoin goes to the moon, the ETF is going right with it. And if Bitcoin goes down, you get the idea. Now, just to give you an idea of how big this may be, let's flash back to 2004 when the first ever spot gold ETF launched. The market cap of gold soared from $1 to $2 trillion to $16 trillion in just a few short years. Now, fast forward to today, and we're looking at Bitcoin possibly being able to do that on an even bigger scale. That's why people are so excited with the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF. But the question is, why should you care? Well, this isn't just for crypto diehards. This is important for anyone even just dipping their toes into crypto too. First off, this broadens the scale. This ETF allows people or institutions with little crypto background to join the party too. With this, there won't be any more FOMO, even your grandma can get in on it. Secondly, and probably the most important thing, the one thing that's been holding Bitcoin back a lot is its credibility. This approval right here adds so much credibility to Bitcoin's case because now it has SEC backing. Bitcoin no longer has to be treated like a shadowy creature lurking in the background. Now it is an official asset class. And there's nothing anyone can say about that. Bitcoin is no longer in the background. It's right here, front and center, rubbing shoulders with other traditional assets. So what does this mean for investors? Well, this is opening the floodgates. This makes it so that there are so many more ways to buy and sell Bitcoin, not just for crypto enthusiasts, but regular people as well. Big institutions can now add Bitcoin into their funds, and retirement planners can now add Bitcoin into their 401ks as well. This is like making Bitcoin more mainstream, more accessible, and a part of the financial future. The most simple way that I can describe this is how back in the day when you can only listen to music through CD players, now you can just hop on Spotify and listen to whatever you want. So for anyone interested, I put a bunch of tickers on the screen for Bitcoin ETFs that you can all look into yourself, as well as their different fees. So there we have it. This is more than just a nod from the SEC. This is a ticket to a diverse crypto future. If Bitcoin wins, pretty much everyone wins. So if you've been watching crypto from the sidelines, this may be the perfect time for you to jump in, but as always, do your own research. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more finance made simple. Other than that, peace.